Full day today. Gonna do a Bali tour. Waiting for the driver to come in. This time. Yeah, be here at 9, so 5 minutes exit time. And yeah, should be a big day. Small Indonesian cat. Very small. We're in the jungle right now. Is any of this the shit coffee? No, it's just normal coffee. This isn't the shit coffee. You have to buy it, yeah. So this isn't the shit coffee. It's just normal coffee. This is the shit coffee. The one the cat shits out. Shit coffee. It tastes like instant coffee. I'm a true Balinese man. Finish up in the swing, fucking tiring. Jesus Christ. But it's quite nice. $90. Fucking hell. Currently at the rice fields now. Hot as fuck. Yeah, bintang. Shit. More swings here. To be honest with you, I've had enough of the swings. Fucking tiring. It's like some final destination shit waiting to happen. But it's okay. Worth doing once. Oh fuck, this is a zip line. Zip line. Yeah, nah. Looks fun though, but nah. It's fucking expensive too. Like the swing for photos, they take photos with you. They take your photos on your phone, fuck ton of photos with different settings and stuff. It's good. I did it with my partner. Fucking expensive, man. $90, which it is what it is. Like it's fine, but be prepared because if you're one of those like expecting everything to be cheap and shit, it's not. It's not fucking cheap. It's $90. Like 90 Australian, that's 900,000. It can get cheaper, but if you're gonna go as a couple, it's like 450, 300. It's alright. Where's the rice? Where's the fucking rice? I know where the rice is, by the way, I'm just joking. Last stop, waterfall. There it is. Alright, we can go now. Final stop, waterfall. Here it is. You've seen one waterfall, I think you've seen all of them, so yeah. Alright. A lot of tourists here, so I think we came too late. And people are smoking and throwing the cigarette butts in their pool, so it's a bit of a shame, but it is pretty. Actually, aside from the waterfall, the actual place is nice. So there's like a bar and actual pool here if you wanted to take a dip, so yeah, very good.